Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today we are going to do something different, a question and answers video. These are real questions that you, the subscribers, have asked or that appears very frequently. So let us go straight into it, okay? So question 1. How long does it take to charge a smartwatch, and can I use any charger? Answer: not all the smartwatches support the same type of charging. The best option is to use the standard charger. Avoid fast chargers because they can damage the watch, especially if it is a low-end device. The ideal option is a charger of around 10 watts maximum. As for charging time, it usually takes between 1 to 2 hours. And that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.